Hi, I'm Vicki. I'm going to show you another way to use this green band on the high setting doing standing crunches. So I just showed you a way to do that in the chair. And I know I target the seniors. This can be done standing as well. So same thing, you're going to want to hold up pretty high and crunch down using your core. So that's a great way to do it. You can do it one-handed, and you could put a chair here for them to hold on if they're going from seated to standing in a progression. So you could have them do it one-handed. You could do that. Another progression that's definitely not going to be in my age group, but maybe it's in yours. Another progression, if it's just not doable standing, you could go down on your knees and you could do these like this as well using your core. So again, that is definitely a progression. Standing, you could have them hold on, or on your knees to have more of a better range of motion. Give it a try.